Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do State Level SSLC Preparatory Examination 3 2026. This is the math paper, 80 marks paper. Let's start. Now multiple choice question. The prime factors of 30. 30 prime factors we will write. Okay. First prime number is a 2. It is possible. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Next 3, 3 fives are 15. Next 5 ones are 5. So 30 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. So which option is correct? See 2 into 3 into 5. 2, 3, 5. This is the correct. Next, if the lines represented by the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are intersecting lines, then the correct relation among the following. Intersecting lines means a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Option A is correct. Third question, find the formula, find the sum of first n terms of the arithmetic progression with the first term A, nth term is L. So, Sn we will find. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Option A is correct. Next is here the standard form of quadratic equation. What is the quadratic equation is there? 5x square is equal to 4x minus 5. See here 5x square, take this side minus 4x, 5 take this side plus 5 is equal to 0. So, which option is correct? 5x square minus 4x plus 5. Option C is correct. The value of sin 30 cos 60. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. Which question? Fifth question. Sin 30 means 1 by 2 plus cos 60 means 1 by 2. So, what is the 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? It is a 2 by 2. Cancel. What is the answer? 1 answer. Option D correct. Next is here the formula to find the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere formula what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Option A correct. Seventh question, if the sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to kx square plus 2x plus 3k is equal to product of its zeros, then find the value of the k. Here what is given? Sum of the zeros equal to product of zeros. Here sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta. This concept we will use. Sum of the zeros equal to product of zeros. So this is the equation kx square plus 2x plus 3k. So which form is there? Ax square plus bx plus c form is there. A means what? K. B means what? 2. C means what? 3k. So first we will do sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means what? Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is equal to what? Sum of the zeros formula minus b by a. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b means minus b means 2 by k. So alpha plus beta is equal to 2 by k. Next we will find alpha beta. Alpha beta is equal to what? C by A. So alpha beta is equal to C means what? 3k by k. So k cancel, alpha beta is equal to 3. So these both are equal in equation given. Sum of the zeros is equal to product of zeros. Sum of the zeros means how much came? Minus 2 by k. Product of zeros how much is there? 3. So minus 2 is equal to 3 into k, 3k. Now we want k value. K is equal to first write minus 2. This 3 into after is equal to it's a divide. K is equal to minus 2 by 3 is the answer. Where is minus 2 by 3? D is minus 2 by 3. Now 8th question. In the figure ABCD is a parallelogram. Carefully listen. ABCD is a parallelogram. E is point on BC. Okay. AE and DC. See here. AE line, DC line. Both are extending. They are meeting at point F. Then the corresponding relation among the following. This is the question. So in this question, which triangles we will compare? So this triangle we will compare. Okay. For seeing only we will understand this angle equal to this angle. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. One angle over. One more angle proved means these two are similar triangles by angle similarity rule 2. So now what we will do? Which triangle you are comparing? ABE triangle, this triangle, ABE triangle and FCE triangle you are comparing. Comparing means here in this triangle this angle equal. So now I will write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Next, carefully listen. This line parallel. This is a transversal. So this angle equal to this angle. So now we will take angle 3 is equal to angle 4. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. So in this triangle, angle 3 equal. In this triangle, angle 4 equal. What is the reason? Alternate interior angles. So reason also you write AB parallel to, what is the reason? AB parallel to CF. Right here, AB parallel to CF. Next, what is the transversal? BC is a transversal. So BC is a transversal. BC transversal means this BC is a transversal. So now see here, this angle equal vertically opposite angles, alternate interior angles. So this triangle, similar triangle. That concept you write. Triangle ABE similar to triangle FCE. They are similar means sides we can write proportional. Right here, this triangle side AB I am taking. This triangle side I am taking. Here AB taking means here I am taking FC is equal to, here BE I am taking, here CE I am taking. Here BE by here BE, here CE equal to here AE. Here AE taking means here FE. AE by FE. So sides are proportional. So which one adjusts you can see? AE by FC is equal to BE by C. So it is interchange is there. This one interchange is there. So in this one, which option correct chance is there? Here D is there. So here we don't want D. Within fraction of seconds also we can write the answer. In this option D is there, but we don't want D. We are comparing only these two triangles. Here also D is there. Here also D is there. So in this one, what is the chance is there? Only C is the correct option. Ninth question, write the degree of the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial degree what? 3. Next, what is the perpendicular distance of point A25 from the y-axis? So first we will take this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, positive, negative, positive, negative. So here point A25. So this is a 2, this is a 5. So how they are meeting? See here, 2, 5 means this line is a 2. This is a 5. So 2, 5 means what is the coordinates? Point A coordinates is 2, 5. Here is asking perpendicular distance. See here, perpendicular distance. Here perpendicular distance point A 2, 5 from Y. Y to here distance. So here to here distance how many units? 2 units. So here to here how many units distance? 2 units. So this answer is 2 units is the answer. Now, next see here, what is the sum of the properties of all the elementary events of an experiment? So, probability means what is the answer? One answer. And next see here, write the two conditions for the similarity of the polynomial with the same number of sides. So, two polygons similar is there means what are the conditions? Similar is there means two polygons. Similar means what? Their corresponding angles are equal, their corresponding sides are proportional. So you write two conditions, write the two conditions. So similar triangles means what are the two conditions? Corresponding angles are equal. First condition. Second condition what? Corresponding sides are proportional. Now 13th question. How many solutions that the pair of the linear equation 2x minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 5 minus 2x plus y minus 8 is equal to 0. These two equations, how many solutions is there? We will find. First equation 2x minus 5y plus 4 is equal to 0. A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to minus 5, C1 is equal to 4. This equation A2 means 2, B2 means 1, C2 means minus 8. First we will do A1 by A2. A1 means what? 2. By A2 means 2. So this what is the answer? A1 by A2 is the one answer. Next we will see B1 by B2. B1 by B2. B1 means what? Minus 5. B2 means what? 1. So A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So therefore these both are not equal. So A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. So this is which lines? Intersecting lines. Intersecting lines means how many solutions? Unique solution. Unique solution means one solution is the answer. This is the answer is one solution. Okay. 14th question. If the nth term of arithmetic progression an is equal to 5n plus 3. Now we will find what is the question mark. third term A3 is the question mark. Okay. Yeah. So A3 we will write n value is the A3 is equal to n value what? N is equal to 3. Apply 5 into 3 plus 3. 5 3 is a 15 plus 3. What is the answer? 18 is the answer. A3 is equal to 18 answer. 15th question, find the median of the data whose mode is 13, mean is 10. Mode 13 given, mean 10 given, we will find the median. What is the formula is there? Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Keep in your mind formula, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay. Mode how much is there? 13. So this is the 13 is equal to 3 median, don't know, right, as it is median minus 2 into mean, how much is that? 10. So write here 2 into 10. Okay, see here 13 is equal to 3 median minus 2 tens are 20. Okay, minus 20 you take this side, 13 plus 20 is equal to 3 median. Okay, right here 3 median. 20 plus 13, 33 is equal to 3 median. So 3 median. Now we want only median. So median, keep here median. See here, this is a into after is equal to divide. So 33, it is a into after is equal to divide. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. So median is equal to, therefore median how much? Median is 11. Median is equal to 11. So this formula you keep in your mind. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2. Find the volume of a cube of edge is 6 centimeter. A volume of a cube formula what? A cube. So what is the edge is there? 6 is there. So 6 cube. So 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. 6 is the 36. So 36 is the 216. It is a volume. You write centimeter cube. This is the answer to maths questions. Next video we will do. Again, you have any doubt also comment it and subscribe my channel. Done.